Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful potato recipe all the way from Andhra. This is a very nice potato fry. For making the potato fry, I'm taking a few fresh potatoes here. You should first peel off the skin and cut the potatoes into small and even sized pieces. After you cut them like this, place the potato pieces in a bowl of water so they don't turn dark in color. I'm going to stir fry the potatoes instead of deep frying them. I'm going to make a nice and flavorful garlic spice powder which goes very well with the fry. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds to the mixer jar. To this, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 medium-sized garlic cloves, and grind everything together once before adding the rest. So now if you see, these are nicely ground. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and a few curry leaves. Adding fresh curry leaves brings in a lot of aroma and flavor to the dish. So now close the jar with a lid and grind it all again. Our garlic spice powder is ready and I can smell a really nice aroma. Keep this powder aside so we can move on to our potato fry. For making the fry, take 1 tablespoon of oil in a wide pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and saute well. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add about 3 red chillies and a few curry leaves. I'm adding about half teaspoon of hing for a nice extra flavor. So mix everything together. So mix it all well and add the chopped potato pieces. As you can see, they are still looking nice and fresh because I've kept them in water immediately after chopping. Add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Give it a quick mix. I'm adding very little water to let the potatoes cook faster. Just about 2 to 3 teaspoons of water should be enough. Otherwise they can become very mushy. We don't want the mushy texture in the fry. So mix it all so the potatoes will cook well due to the moisture. I'm also adding the garlic spice powder at this point. Mix it well to make sure the potatoes are fully coated. Keep the flame on a medium-low and cook the potatoes for about 10 minutes. So the fry is fully done. You can stir fry them for a few more minutes if required. There is a nice aroma coming out of this and you can see the masala has coated the potatoes well. So I'm turning off the stove. Transfer the fry to a serving bowl. That's all. This yummy and flavorful potato fry with garlic spice powder is ready to be served. So here is the simple and delicious potato fry with this nice and spicy garlic mix. So you can see it's very simple to make. You can enjoy this with some nice rasam, sambar or even with curd rice. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.